Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to L. Let's learn colors name: orange, pink, violet, blue, red, light green, brown, sky blue, pink, green, yellow and black color. Pink color, A. This is letter A. Yellow color, B. This is letter B. This is letter C. C. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. Green color, we are tracing letter E. Kids, this is letter E. E. Red color, F. This is letter F. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. G. Kids, we are tracing letter G. H. This is letter H. Kids, we are tracing letter H. Black color, I. This is letter I. Blue color, J. We are tracing letter J. Kids, we are tracing letter K. This is letter K. Kids, this is letter L. Now we are tracing letter L. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for green. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.